Company setup. Welcome to the customer registration process by Accurate ERP. Registering your company. Basically, it is your admin account. Enter your company name in the customer name field. If you have more number of companies, you can enter your group name as your company name. For example, we can say ABC Group. Then enter your company admin name in the name field. Enter your admin mail ID, like admin@abcgroup.com, in the email field. Then enter your phone number. Then enter your password. Confirm the password. You can click I icon to verify your password. Then click registration button for registering your company. This completes the registration process of your company. Company creation. After registering your company, it leads to login screen. In the login screen, enter your username and password, and login. Once login, you will get Manage Companies screen. You can add companies in this screen. Click Add Company. Enter details of your company. Enter name of your company in name field. Click the plus symbol. You can add Arabic text or alternative text. Enter your country name. Then enter your currency in the currency field. You can upload your company logo here. Enter your CR number here in the company register number field. Enter your time zone here in the time zone field. Enter your VAT number here in the VAT number field. Enter your VAT percentage here applicable to your country. Enter your phone number. In the address details box you can enter your address details. You can enter your street name, city, postal code. You can add your bank information in the bank details field. You can enter your account holder name, bank account number, bank SWIFT code, currency and bank address details here. Then save it. This complete your company profile. Roles and users. Once company created, you can define roles for your users. Click Go to Company. You can see menus. Click Setup menu, and then click Roles. Click Add Role. Enter name of the role. Example E-Invoicing, and add. Now you can see that E-Invoicing is added. You can give permission to edit. You can give permission to create new roles. You can create users. You can create currencies, exchange rate, categories, options, custom templates. If you are going to do master uploads, you can do master upload, and numbering series. Company configuration is only for admin. You can create business partners, products, and you can skip all these, for e-invoicing. Directly, go to the income list, where you are going to create invoices, income receipt. Expense list, if you are going to use expenses, then, expense payments. If you are going to upload invoices then, click Income Upload and click Expense Upload. Click Reports, and if you go down further, you can see Other Reports, to click. Once you have given rights, then save. After role creation, you can create users. Go to Setup, click Users. Click Add User. Enter name of the employee or your own username. Enter email. You can define reporter or self. Define the user role here to give appropriate rights. Define the status as active. Then click Add, or add an invite. If you do add an invite, then, the user gets mail for login. That is user creation. Numbering series. It is a numbering series set up. Go to Setup, and click Numbering Series. There are pre-defined numbering series in the application, and of course, you cannot change it. If you want to add numbering series for invoices, choose Income Invoice. Give the prefix, what you want, like in, and year, the starting number, and then suffix. You can create valid date. Every year you can create different numbering series. You can create valid from, and valid to, date, and add the series. Customize invoice template setup. Setting up the invoice template for your company. Go to Setup. Click Custom Templates. You will see many templates. In finance, you have the tax invoice, debit note, and credit note. Click the tax invoice. What you see is the standard template. If you like to add your logo, then drag and drop the image bar next to QR code. Click the image. You can see the upload button in the right-hand side. Click the upload button to upload your logo from your computer. The logo will be displayed in all the invoices. Master upload. Next, if you want to do master upload, then go to Setup. Click Master Upload. You can see many different types of uploads. For example, if you want to upload your customers, click the Download Sample template here. Fill up the Excel, then drag and drop the CSV. Then the clients get uploaded. Similarly, your materials can be uploaded. Create currencies. If you are dealing with foreign currencies, you can set as here. Go to Setup. Click Currencies. Click Define your currency. Enter your foreign currency you are dealing in the code field. The system will fill other fields default. Then save. You just added the currency here. Then go to Setup, and click Exchange Rate. Click Add Exchange Rate. Enter date. Enter from currency. Enter exchange rate. Then enter status as active. If you are not dealing with any foreign currencies, then you can skip this step. User login. Login as the user which you created. This is individual user or your employees. The user gets a link in his mail with username and password. Enter the login name and password in the login screen, and sign in to the application. The user see here only the permission related to them, as you see here. First is the business partner creation. Then products. Then you can do the e-invoicing. Customer creation. Create your business partner here, which is your customer. Click on Add Business Partner. You can leave the client number field, as the client number will be generated. Or, if you have client number, you can enter here. Enter name of your client in the name field. You can click on the plus symbol to give Arabic text. You can enter the type, as customer. Enter the business type, as company or individual. If you enter the business type, as company, then all the address details are mandatory. Enter the currency of the customer. Enter VAT number of the customer. Enter company registration number of the customer. Enter your address details. Enter your street name. Click the plus symbol to enter alternate text. Enter the city name with alternative text. Enter the postal code and the country. If your billing address is different, then you have to enter your billing address details here. If your billing address is same as shipping address, enter above, then click Same as shipping address. Enter the contact person details of the customer. Enter name, email address and the phone number of the contact person. You can enter discount detail or leave it as 0. You can enter the payment type as bank transfer or card or cash. You can enter the payment term here. Then save. This create your customer profile. Products creation. You can create your service as a product here. Click Service menu, and then click Products. Click Add Product. Enter the name of the service, in the name field, like consulting, or anything else. You can enter alternate text here by clicking the plus symbol. You can enter your unit. Then enter your price. You can enter other applicable details, like discount, charge, tax as applicable, and the currency. Then save it. This creates your product. E-invoicing creation. In this screen, you can create invoice. Go to Finance, click Income List under Receivables. Click Add New Income. Click Invoice. Choose your customer. If you have PO reference, then enter PO reference here. Or, you can ignore this. Enter your invoice details here. Enter the type of invoice. Enter the product. The product and price will be listed. Once type your product here. You can also give additional information here. You can enter the quantity. Then all the calculation happens immediately as shown here. You can attach any other document here, like PO, or any reference document can be attached. Then you can do save or save and approve. Save means it is a draft. You can edit the draft anytime. Save and approve means it is finalized and approved invoice. You cannot edit it later. The system creates e-invoicing with all details as shown here. The QR code is ZATCA approved QR code. Send invoice. Invoice created in the ZATCA approved format. You can do a print by clicking print button. Or, you can do a download and save it. Click back. You can see different tabs: created, submitted, approved. When you click approved tab, you can see all the approved invoices. You can send the invoices to your customer. Click the invoice here. You can see send mail button here. Click send mail button. Enter your customer mail ID. Then click send mail. It sends email as attached PDF. Invoice upload. Next is income uploads. If you are using other application and would like to upload the invoices, then go to finance and click income upload. Click the download sample template and download the template. The downloaded template looks like this. Fill all the information here. Save as CSV file. Drag and drop the CSV file here to upload the invoice. The invoice transmission can go to ZATCA directly from application. You can see a menu, Outbound Transmission, under Finance tab. Click the Outbound Transmission. Your approved invoices will come here. If you click on this, you can see the Transmit button. Click the Transmit button. It gets transmitted to ZATCA. At this moment, the ZATCA approval is awaited for the connectivity. Once they publish the server details, this connection start working. Payments. Next is receiving payments for your invoice from your customer. Click on the invoice. You can do an edit. Go down. There is a payment section. Add your invoice receipts. Click payment date and enter the date when the payment was received. Enter the amount received. Enter type as payment. Enter payment type as bank transfer. Then click the update button. This says that your invoice has been paid. You can see here, the payment status changes to paid. Reports. Next step is to see the reports. Click the report menu. Click account receivables. You can see the reports. You can choose the dates. Click generate. You can see the accounts receivable reports. Sales order, account payables are not applicable for e-invoicing process. Account payable is only for purchase transaction. Click the tax summary and generate. You can see the tax summary report. You can see how much VAT you are incurring. Click on the customer business summary report. This shows which customer, what is the invoice, credit note, debit note and total amount. You can see customer outstanding by clicking customer outstanding summary report, whether they paid or not.